Should you be a one-woman man band if you have a beta client? I'm a one-woman band currently and wondering if I should hire additional help for filming needs for my beta clients. It's okay to be a one-woman band for your beta client, right? Because you want to develop the relationship with that business owner. With beta clients, the relationship is more important than the product because you need to have a relationship with them where they're going to give you insight on what really matters to that client. When you understand their pain points, what bothers them, what they run into, what's holding them back, what's tiring them, when you understand that, then you can develop a product that helps them. Then you can bring in help to shoot it. When's a good time to follow up with the client after sending a proposal? It's been 4 days. I haven't heard back. Okay, I'm going to answer this question, but I'm going to tell you where to go if you need way more information because I talk about that in module 2. When I have an initial conversation with the client and I'm getting information to send out a proposal, I am setting a time and date to contact them. That's my way of putting pressure on the client to look at that proposal and go over it. I use Proposalify, so I like to understand. I can see whether or not my client has viewed my proposal, what pages they've been on, where they stuck at. I know when they viewed it. So if I call them and they ducking me, I know what's up. When I'm getting information to set up that proposal at that time, I am setting up a callback date. I don't leave it in the wind. Because if I try to call you and you duck me 2 or 3 times, you BSing me and my time is money. Marketing yourself as a mag migrant. I mean, yeah, you can. You can. The thing is this, create that style of portrait and then name it something unique to your own, right? The Big Mac ain't nothing special. What is it? 2 all beef patties. I almost know it by heart. It's with the special sauce, Thousand Island. It ain't nothing special. Everybody got a double cheeseburger with a piece of bread in the middle, but McDonald's call it the Big Mac. You can only get it at McDonald's. So if you have something like this, create something that is unique to your brand, and that is one of your value propositions. You ever deliver video to a client, they tell you they love it, but they never post it anywhere? Yep, all the time. Some clients don't know how. So as added value, take over that role. Now, if they don't want to post it, they don't really like it. But as added value, often I will approach a client as to how to post it, market it, push it. Those are things that are upsells that should be on your proposal. I talk about this in the courses. Because if the client spend an extra $500-$600 to go through all that and it really started booming, they're going to come back. They hooked. They on crack now. Congratulations. You got another user. So take over that portion because a lot of people don't know what to do with it. A lot of people buy $50 Kobe steaks and they cooking it on a $3 grill. They don't know what to do with it. Sometimes you can't just be the butcher. Sometimes you got to be the butcher, the chef. You got to be everything. And that's fine. Offer those services, right? Because they'll probably go to somebody else to get it. I only do drone videos. How can I show value? There's tons of ways to show value. By offering multiple type of drone videos. First person view, there's just different ways of showing value, but it depends. Listen, value is based on the perception. Whose perception is it? Because showing value to an architect could be your ability to have drone videos that don't have lenses that skew their lines. Showing value to somebody that's looking for product photography or product video from a drone. We've shot trucks and things like that were large from a drone, is your ability to capture color, capture products in certain landscapes, capture certain movements or shots, or capturing that product doing certain things. The value is based on who your client is. I don't want to give you a watered down, this will instantly, no. You need to ask your target audience what they value, what they need. Hey, if you were to buy drone footage, how can it help you? Often we pay a guy to inspect our roof. If you can just get pictures of it, man, I don't want to send one of my guys on a roof and fall. And there's plenty of ways to show value if you understand who needs it. It's just like beauty. It's in the eye of the beholder. Ladies or fellas, ask your partner, what cologne do you like? How you like me to smell? Bless you for the streets. You can ask the streets what they want. You can ask Facebook. But if you care about a person, which is your niche, your target audience, ask them. Have that communication with them, right? It's all about communication. Do you ask to speak for references when I hire contractors? I don't. I want to see your demo reel because I've met people that had dope demo reels that were never given an opportunity. And when you work with me, it's going to be a learning experience and I'm going to expect something from you. Like I'm going to expect you to work, but my goal is to sharpen you. I am like a coach. When you join my team, I'm gonna expect you to ball out, but I'm here to make you better. Hey, keep in mind that the video you just watched contains clips from a longer lecture that's available to our gold members at FlashFilm Academy FlashFilmAcademy.com. You can go to FlashFilmAcademy.com to watch the complete lectures if you want to get all the gems and all the information, or you can stay on the channel and continue watching some of our content here. Just click one of those boxes somewhere around here. Just, yeah, you know where to go. Right up in here, somewhere, wherever it pops up, you know what to do. You got this.